Buddy. Welcome to another live stream crypto lunch where I go over the top crypto stuff going on in the world. Let me know if you guys can hear me and see me all right. I'm going to let the audience build a little bit. If you guys can hear me and see me, please say yes. Or I can hear you, or I can see you, or what country you're from, or if you're astounded at the price of Bitcoin right now, or Ethereum. Cool. So we are live streaming on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Twitch. So if you aren't watching us on Twitch, go there, because I'm trying to convince my boss to let me play video games when I'm home at night and live stream that and get paid to play video games. The dream come true, right? The dream come true. Hello, hello. What's up, what's up, what's up? Yo, XRP. So, I know you want it. People have been asking for it. Apparently, there's a huge following behind this currency known as XRP. And we have it in the plans to be listed on the exchange. So if you guys have XRP or you want to buy XRP, it's going to be on the CoinCasso exchange very, very soon, as well as Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, and Lisk. So if you're excited for XRP on CoinCasso, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this live stream so that we can get more viewers. And again, I ordered food and it's not here. So instead, I'm on the H2O diet. All right, so I think it is about time to get into the world of cryptocurrencies. What do you guys think? Do you want to learn about crypto? Do you want to see what's going on in the world? Let's minimize my face, get it out of the way here, and back at it. Cool. So let's start off with the prices of some of the top ranked cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. We have Bitcoin sitting at $18,867, down nearly 2%. If you watched recently, we just had a nice down. Ethereum, $579, down 2.5%. XRP to 59 cents, down 2.2%. Wow, Tether is still sitting at $1. It's like it's a very stable currency. It never moves from $1. I don't understand why. Litecoin sitting at $81, down 2.5%. Sorry, I that was a joke, guys. I know that Tether's USDT is a stable coin. I'm not dumb. Chainlink, $12.74, down 2.8%. Pretty much everything across the board. Like if you search the top 100 and sort them by the 24-hour change, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 of them are in the plus, but none of them are more than 0.25% up. So the entire cryptocurrency market is right now, and that's okay. Do you have to sell exit? Do I have to sell exit before $1? Please clarify what you mean. I don't understand your question. Cool. So cryptocurrencies are down across the board. I will get into some technical analysis. Actually, let's do that right now. Bitcoin, I have it up on the 1 hour chart because it's a nice kind of, you know what I mean? So when I left you guys yesterday, yeah. So we were kind of cruising up here, but recently, as of the last 6 hours, we saw this drop from $19,289 all the way down to $18,600. Now this drop right here accounts for about 3.5%, which is really, really nothing. I don't know why a bunch of people saw this moving average crossover and kind of like lost it. But with so much momentum going up right now, guys, like you got to look. Yeah, it dropped down, but it's low on the RSI. It's sitting at 31. When it's, look, right here, low on RSI, sitting at 32, and then it up. So we're low again. We're not seeing any divergence. You know, we're having lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So if this was opposite, like one was going up and the other one was going down, that's a divergence and we might see a downtrend, but it's just going to bounce up from here. I believe this is a fake out move by big market makers. They push the price down. They show the average day trader a moving average crossover, and they're like, oh, let's sell. You know, I'm going to make a bunch of money on the short position. And once all those sell orders come in, that's when the big buyers come in. They come in fast, they come in hard, and they come in late, and they just close everybody out. Stop losses hit. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your cryptocurrency experience. And that happens time and time again. So don't be a retail trader. Don't do the bad things. Just hold it for right now. We're seeing relatively decent volume, a sideways trading Bitcoin. And usually when we start wedging like this, it has a breakout up or down with so much momentum on the upside. It's got to be that way. Anyway, welcome everybody to the channel. Let's see who else is on here. Do you think Ethereum will have better benefit than BTC? Across Canada. So I'm an advocate of Ethereum over Bitcoin because it's got so much more versatility and utility than Bitcoin, whereas Bitcoin's just a store of value. Yeah, you'll be able to transact in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies going on in the future, but when it comes to utility, you're going to want Ethereum because everything is going to run off of Ethereum. So if you hold it and you stake it, people are going to use your staked Ethereum to make more money, to build their projects. And so not only will the price of Ethereum increase, so your overall investment is going to increase, the amount of dividends or staking rewards that you're going to get, the staking profits through staking your Ethereum, is going to supersede everything that you could have done with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin was just at 10,000 and then jumped up to 20,000, like, yeah, you had a good increase there, but what did it drop down to? 12,000 something? Whereas Ethereum had more percentage gain, even though it hasn't broken its all-time high like Bitcoin has, but when it does, that's $1,400. So be on the lookout for crazy Ethereum runs, especially with Ethereum 2.0 coming soon to a theater near you. Anyway. Good question across Canada. Anything else I can answer for you, please ask. What is the difference between margin and futures? Google it. No, I'm kidding. So when you're leverage trading, basically you have a leverage account. So say you have $1,000, but it's a 1 to 100 leverage. So $1,000 times 100 is your buying power, but it's also your losing power. So always be careful with that. Whereas futures, you're just determining what the price is going to be in the future. You are buying a call. So like you get into a pool. Just Google it. It's going to explain it way better than I can. I really don't like leverage trading or options trading on Bitcoin because of the fluctuations. And if you leveraged an account right here and you saw this, moving average crossover, and then you got stopped out, you lost way, way harder than if you would just have normal, not leveraged a position. Welcome everybody. I'm glad to see that the stream is growing. We're going to be doing these videos every single day because I don't want to sit and edit videos. So we're just going to do impromptu live streams every single day. It's called Crypto Lunch. If you haven't seen it already, it's like the talk of the town. Everybody on the internet is losing their mind that Arty is doing a live stream every single day. So if you guys would like to help me out, share this live stream so other people can join us and watch. But this is going to be the normal format of the channel now. Occasionally we will do like evergreen content, talking about Chainlink or XRP or what other top ranked cryptocurrencies so I can rank and search and get more views and grow the channel. But this is what it's going to be like. Unfortunately, we can't get Ethereum 2.0. We can only get 1.0. Why? I don't understand. Would you keep Ethereum without staking? Okay. Yeah. So there's a lot of different methods with Ethereum 2.0 coming out, like we'll discuss. I'll do a whole video on that because it's a huge topic, and the more news comes out on that, like wait for 20 articles to release on the same day about Ethereum 2.0 and watch the price just straight to the moon. Eugene, what's up, man? It is lunchtime. I hope you packed your lunch. I'm drinking water because, again, my order didn't come in time. They will probably ring the doorbell when in the middle of this live stream. So we're talking about the price of Bitcoin. You know, it's just trading sideways right now. No real movement, but no real cause for concern of it going on the downside. Ethereum, same thing. We had the same, you know, whatever percentage dip, and it's doing the same thing that Bitcoin is right now. Like everything's tied to the price of Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin's doing in movement, most other cryptocurrencies are doing the same thing. The only thing that's going to distinguish one currency over the other is really good press releases or news or new partnerships or what have you. That's going to spike any particular altcoin. But for right now, it's super steady. We should see a breakout here probably in the next week, if not before the holidays. But I think that we're going to see a crazy, crazy price on Ethereum and Bitcoin before Christmas. So keep that in mind. And that crazy price could be zero. I'm kidding. It'll never go down to zero. This is the future of currencies. And the reason I say that is because I've been kind of scrolling through the news. And remember that video that I shared on my LinkedIn that I told you guys to go check out? It's a company called MicroStrategy. Previously, they bought 500 million worth of Bitcoin, and now they're issuing another 400 million in securities to buy more Bitcoin. This is huge news, guys. If you think about these massive corporations having all of their cash or their profits and they don't know what to do with it, and they know that with inflation, the value of their cash is going to go down over time. So it's a loss. It's a loss for them for that money that they earned, and they're going to lose it over time. Whether it's 5%, 2%, 11%, it doesn't matter. That's why they're looking for different places. That's why a lot of companies always stored their value in gold, because gold was rising over time. But I'm going to get into another article why that is actually pivoting to Bitcoin. But these huge companies spending hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of millions of dollars investing in Bitcoin as a store of value for the future, that should signify to you that it's a good store of value for you to get into now. I've had friends that have invested like $200 to $400 in Bitcoin, and now it's worth, you know, $2,600, $3,500 just because they, you know, listen to my calls on Signals and watch the YouTube channel. So like a lot of my friends are profiting a little bit, you know, because they had low capital. But some of my friends, I had one friend that invested like $35,000 and he just bought every single dip. He bought it at 4,000. He bought it again at 6. He bought it again at 10. And he just kept like diluting his position all the way up. And now with a total of a $35,000 investment, the dude's portfolio is $250,000. And that's since March. Tell me where else you could have invested that money and made $250,000. It just doesn't happen. That's why cryptocurrencies are so phenomenal and fascinating to me. What is the core rule with these crypto trades? Buy the dip, like straight up buy the dip. I'm just going to come back to this really quick. If you guys see this, like when you see a huge spike up, I'm going to make this bigger for you guys. So when you see a huge spike up and then a dip down like this and a double bottom, see how it tapped that same price twice? You're looking for a buy order, you know? Just never buy up. Like when it's all trending up and everybody's euphoric about it, it's a horrible time to buy. Wait until everybody's pessimistic and thinking that the price is going to crash. That's when you're going to get a discount on the price. And if you get a double bottom like you did right here, it's a great time to get in. I mean, always have a stop loss just so you don't lose all your money. But yeah, buy the dip. That's the number one rule of buying and trading any currency. Buy the dip. Please tell us if it's worth to buy XRP right now. Okay, I will show you. XRP. I don't even have it on my... Yeah, I do. Boom. Cool. Looking at XRP on the 1 hour chart, not showing me much. Let's take it out to the daily chart. Whoa. Okay. So think about this. Price was down here at 22 cents. Price went up here to 77 cents, right? You see how this line on the RSI slowly moved up into the way overbought, and then it dumped back down. So what you're looking for, if say you draw a line right here on the 50 level, let me draw that line for you. To 50. Cool. So as long as we're above this line, that means we're bullish. So if it touches this line and bounces up, that means we're going to continue the bull trend. So I would wait maybe a little bit longer and then buy in. But as long as it's above this, you're golden. Like if it drops below, then we're going to be looking for the downside here where it's going to go to the 30 levels and then start to climb back up. So you just need to watch the prices, guys. Seriously, like I live on these charts day in and day out. If you don't watch the prices, you don't know what's a dip, what's a correction, what's a crash. And that's why I look at TradingView at least 12 times a day to see exactly what the price is going to do to adjust my positions. I have long-term positions and then I have day trading positions. So I move money around constantly so that I can make the most profits that I can. Because with my level of skill in day trading, I can actually supersede that of just holding long terms. But I always hold long term, you know, just as a safety nest. I don't day trade all my assets. That's just dumb. Yes. VWAZI TTV. We will have XRP, and I'm pretty sure we'll have it this month. Not 100% sure, but yes. XRP, Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, as well as Lisk. Those are what's planned in the short term. Oh, XMR. I'll discuss it with the team, see if it'll be easy to bring on. If it will be, like literally any coins that you guys want, just write to support01@coincasso.com. Pretty sure it's linked in the description. And just, if we get like 50 people that says they want a certain currency, we're immediately putting that currency up. So you guys get to choose what currencies we have, because the only reason an exchange exists is for users. So what the users want, that's what the users get. That's what I'm saying. Algo about to enter a bull run. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, guys. Algo. USDT. Algo. Cool. We are on a daily chart here. Whoa, that is a fat retracement. So let's take this, guys. So you take our Fibonacci tool, right? As I've showed you guys time and time again, you take it from the bottom of the bull run to the top of the bodies of the candlesticks of the bull run. And yeah, so this is hard to tell. Man, dude, I don't want to give you bad advice, but I would wait. Dude, I know you want to buy in at the lowest price possible, but I would wait until it actually like crosses back over this 618 to 0.5 level retracement, because then you're sure it's going that way. But also be wary that it could be in a downtrend. So let's remove this Fibonacci retracement and say, for example, it is in a downtrend. So you take it from the low, or from the highest to the lowest right there. And if it bounces up here to 45.85 or 52.11 and then starts coming down, you know we're in a downtrend on that. Right now, I wouldn't get in it. I wouldn't get in it right now. Just my personal opinion. Just my personal opinion, but you guys might know better than me. I have not been watching Algo meticulously or at all. So this is just like briefly looking at it. It's not financial advice. I'm not a professional, guys. I'm just an enthusiast that sits on charts more than I actually spend time with my family. What do you think of Cardano? Cardano. Oh man, The Cardano is one that I lost money on. I was betting big on Cardano, and man, it really teased me the wrong way, and I didn't appreciate it. So let's see. This is March. Okay. So taking into consideration long-term position on Cardano, we went from 2 cents all the way up to 15 cents, retraced on the 50 level. We've already hit and take profit 2 on that. So if you bought here, take profit 1, take profit 2, it seems like it's having a lot of long wicks right here and rejecting hard. I mean, it could potentially go to take profit 3, which is going to be 23.5 cents. But with this huge bull run that just happened, I would wait for a retracement. So if you're really diving deep into this thing, oh, it already did its retracement. You see that? It spiked up, retraced, and then coming up. We're having lower lows. Lower lows. As long as it stays above this 50 level, it should be good long term. Or mid to short term. Good job, Harsh. Always buy the dip, guys. If you're ever like, oh, should I buy more Ethereum? Wait for the dip and a double bottom, then buy it, period. Make sure it's either, if it's on a hardcore bull run on the 382 level, if it's a normal retracement, the 0.5 and the 0.6 levels. If you guys haven't watched my videos on how I do this whole technical analysis shebang, link in the description. There's like a 3-video series thing that I did. Continuing on. So I want to talk a little bit more news. Winklevoss market cap will flip gold. The Winklevoss twins, very important celebrities in the whole Bitcoin industry. They're saying, I'm not going to read the whole article. They're saying that the market cap of Bitcoin is going to exceed that of gold, which means it is going to be a higher store of value than gold. And gold has been a store of value for a historically very, very long time. If that happens, when that happens, watch Bitcoin's price go from a speculative asset, you know, oh, is Bitcoin real? It's a fake currency. It's not backed by anything, whatever they say on the news. It's going to blow up. And everybody that said anything bad about Bitcoin in the past is going to have to bite their tongue and swallow their words because they were wrong. Cryptocurrencies are the future of currencies, guys. They're going to be global. Everybody's going to use it. So like right now, this is a laughable price of Bitcoin. In 5 years, I can't even imagine 1.5 million, 3.6 million for one Bitcoin. So any amount of Bitcoin you own now or buy now is going to be worth far more in 5 years. And you're going to regret the fact, you're going to kick yourself for not buying anything now. And if you have not already, you don't have an exchange, you're not into cryptocurrencies, get on CoinCasso, link in the description, free sign up, 2 minutes registration, buy some freaking Bitcoin. Buy $10 worth of Bitcoin and write me in 5 years and tell me what happened. I'll wait. I won't remember, but I will wait. Cool. Chainlink, I'm 100% behind Chainlink. The amount of growth that they've had since the beginning of the year, the amount of partnerships, they are like, if you're looking at a company and what they do, Chainlink, all of their developers, all of their team, they're like slow and steady wins the race. They don't care about the hype. They don't care about anything. They're working towards expanding the crypto industry and blockchain and communications between blocks. Chainlink is going to stay in the top 5 cryptocurrencies for time in all existence. That's my opinion. What else are you guys talking about? Cool. Let's get on to other news. Goldbug says 2021 will be a big year for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is good. They've actually said, what did they say? Something about Ethereum going up to like $2,000. Okay, I'll take that any day of the week. And okay, so I want to talk about this Facebook Libra thing. The amount of like secrecy behind the project and like what's approved, what's regulated, where it's going to, dude, I don't like the concept of it. I know it's a stable coin, you know, all of that. I've seen a lot of posts on like crypto groups and they're like, Libra seems like a good investment. It's a stable coin. It's just like USDT. The Libra Association may have rebranded itself, but that means little to the German finance minister. He says a wolf in sheep's clothing is still a wolf. Following a video conference of the G7 finance ministers on Monday, he added, "It's clear to me that Germany and Europe will not accept its entry into the market while the regulatory risks are not adequately addressed." I don't know. It seems like it's probably gonna be popular because Facebook, anything that they touch turns to gold. But man, the amount of bad chatter behind it. It's a good thing it's a stable coin because it would just down. Okay, check this out. You guys were asking about options and futures trading, whatever. This guy, how one Bitcoin options trader turned $638,000 into $4.4 million in 5 weeks. Basically, I'm going to not run through all of this, but on October 30th, someone, a single trader or a small group, bought 16,000 January expire call options at $36,000 strike for 0.003 Bitcoins per contract, according to the data by Dapp. The total cost was 48 Bitcoin. The number of contracts, 16,000, multiplied by the contract per diem, 0.003. Turns out that this dude or group of people with their call made $3.816 million in 5 weeks. Do that on any other asset. Do that on Tesla stock. Do that on Apple stock, Forex, like maybe there. But dude, the explosion of cryptocurrencies and the amount of money that you can make here absolutely blows my mind. Get into crypto, dude. Just straight up get into crypto. Quickly, I want to Goldbug, Bitcoin, MicroStrategy. Yeah, that's all the news that I wanted to cover today. So if you guys aren't already signed up to the CoinCasso exchange, we have an exchange, you know, buy, market orders, market history, market trend, market depth, limit orders, blah, 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 blah. We have a bunch of different currencies, as you can see here. And we also have apps. Right now, we have an app called Long Short, which I did a live stream on it a while ago. And basically, you have to guess whether the price is going to go up or down in 60 seconds on Bitcoin. Yeah, you go long, short, type in the amount, 1 USDT, 10 USDT, 200 USDT, or anything in between, and you get 80% profits on it. It's like, yeah, like say you think that the price is going to go up, right? So you go long. And in 60 seconds, let's see what happens in 60 seconds. Anyway, this is options trading. I'm probably going to lose this because, you know, when you show off in front of your friends and you get hurt, that's what usually happens. The reason I went long is because we had, you know, the spike up and then come down right at about the 60 level. So it should go up from here. I don't know for sure. Anyway, think about the fact that if you actually like nailed down your focus on this and learned exact pricing, like the price action, and then you did 100 USDT bets in 60 seconds, you could profit 80 USDT in 60 seconds. You do that 3 times an hour, 4 times an hour, you're at $320 profit in an hour. Tell me one job where you can make $340 in an hour. Right at the last. Anyway, or you could lose, but you know, don't risk money you're not willing to lose. So I lost $10. Tough cookies. Anyway, if you guys, can I use CoinCasso? Yeah, you can use, absolutely you can use it in Canada. If you're having trouble, signing up or registering, or if there's usually the biggest issue is people from the United States don't understand what the +1 and then your area code. So if you're having troubles registering for an account and you're in America or Canada, just contact support through the chat feature or support01 at CoinCasso. They'll walk you through the whole process. And I was right. I was just right at the wrong time. Frustrating. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me for this lunch We are going to be bringing on special guests from time to time. If you or anybody you know want to be on the show, we can get on a Skype call or whatever. If you are knowledgeable about the crypto industry, or if you're a CEO or marketing manager or, whatever, product developer, like, shoot me an email, man. Links are in the description. Yeah, I'm everywhere. Thanks for joining me, guys. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day. Message me on LinkedIn. It seems to be a very popular platform. And make sure you like all of my posts so I feel more important. Follow all of our socials down below. Make sure you get into the CoinsLoot project, which is taking the world by storm. Cryptocurrency loot boxes that you can buy and open, and inside is crypto, or an entire Bitcoin, or a Tesla Model X. Like, this project is going to change the entire landscape of how people buy cryptocurrencies. All the links are in the description down below. Now is your chance to invest. And with investments come the staking opportunity. If you stake your loot tokens that you buy now at the lowest possible price, which by the end of the ICO, they're going to be more than doubled, which is a 100% return on your investment. And staking on the platform is going to cause you to get profits off of every single transaction that happens on the platform. It is freaking game changing, guys. You really need to check it out. All the links are in the description below. Thank you again for joining me. I am going to end this live stream so that you guys can get back to your